Hey, I'm Mike Berlin from Signage Marketing by Slam. As we study holiday sales for other retail industries, we see that when using a gift card, consumers spend about 30% more than they normally would. Think about the last time you used a $25 gift card. Did you actually spend $25? Look, driving profitability is a big part of gift card sales. But what we sometimes forget is the brand loyalty it brings and the new customers. Usually the person receiving that gift card is a new customer. To make sure this is your best gift card selling season on record, we thought about how do we incentivize gift card sales? How do we make it profitable? How do we entice people to buy? So we created this package to help you crush it this year with gift card sales. It combines on-site signage, digital marketing, sales training videos, and creative that drives sales. All right, here we go. Number one, we start with a geo-targeted digital ad campaign on 3 platforms at the same time. Number 2, we load the promo to your Google My Business listing so that people searching for car wash near me see that you're running a special on gift cards. Number 3, social media. We create 4 different boosted posts for Facebook and Instagram, and we change your social banners so that everywhere someone finds you online, they see and hear about your gift cards. Number 4 is on-site signage. This is a big play. We include 2 4x8 foot banners, 2 double-sided antenna signs, 2 gate arm banners, 2 pump topper signs to put on top of the pay station, and even 20 signs to put on each of your vacuum stations. We want to completely blanket the site with signage. All right, while we suggest that you run this program from November 25th to Christmas, you're welcome to have your signage as soon as it's available, so the quicker you commit to this package, the quicker you can start driving gift card revenue. Beyond the digital ads, beyond the social media and all the signage, on the sales side of things, to help you train and motivate your crew, we're going to include a sales training video on the best way to pitch and close. We're going to include a script for your team to use, a scoreboard to hang up in the break room to track your sales, and we're even throwing in a 65-inch 4K TV, which becomes the prize for the winner of your sales contest. It's the triple hit, so we're promoting online to drive awareness. We've got the signage on site, and we fire up the crew to ask for the sale as customers arrive. We're giving you everything you need this year to score big with gift card sales. Now, it's up to you if you want to offer an incentive for the gift cards. We do suggest it. Statistics show that a majority of people buy a gift card if there's an incentive for them to do so. Things like buy a gift card, get a free car wash, or buy 2 $25 gift cards and get a free top wash. The best part about this package is that you'll own all the signage and the materials so that you can turn around and do it again next year and the next. All right, the deadline to sign up is October 1st. Sign up right now and let's slam your gift card sales big this year.